Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Zasca channel. Hey, today we're just gonna do a simple video on unboxing a product I just got in yesterday and I just want to show it to you. So alright, so here we are, just a simple box, no big deal. I wanted to add some auxiliary LED lamps in my motorcycle, my Kawasaki Vulcan S, and I've been researching, and there were few models out there in the market which cost between 130, 140 to 250 are normal ones, which I thought it was kind of expensive just to try them out. What happens if I don't like them? Okay. So I looked in the Amazon and AliExpress and I found these ones for 25 euros. I'll show you the picture in the Amazon, put the Amazon link in there for you guys to know. They're very simple LED lights. Okay. Okay, my friends, so let's open the thing, see what, this is the first time I opened the box. Came in yesterday night, so let's see. I don't know what is inside here. Whoa, okay, this the first package here. What do we have here? This is looks like a fuse box. It has the fuse box and the fuses. It brings with the fuses. Seems these are holders. Okay, 1 and 2. Seems there are one holders for each of the lamps. Okay. Seems like, what else do we have here? Well, this is the switch, okay, on and off switch. Alright, comes with a switch. What is this? Oh, these are the user manual, the instructions. You can see very simple instructions. Tells you this is the switch, tells you the wires, and tells you how the lights are connected. Alright, okay, my friends, and this is the, normal drawing, no big deal. Looks pretty straightforward, and these are the babies. Okay. These are the LED lamps. Okay, you got 1 and you got 2. Alright, so you don't have any more. Okay, so let's open these babies up and see how they look like. Okay, they are pretty bulky. You can see this is my fist, this is the thing, so they are pretty bulky. I think these are pretty big, so probably the better ones are also the same size, maybe a little smaller, but these are pretty bulky, so I don't know how they're gonna fit in my bike. We'll see that later on. Okay, so let's open this up. Alright, so let's take them out of the boxes. Take the box out of here. It's on the way. Let's open one up. Okay, we have the accessories. Okay, the switch, the fuse box, and the holders. And instructions, put them aside. Let's open this up, see how they look. Okay. Alright. Okay, well, it's not bad. I mean, it's cheap aluminum. I don't know the cable length. It doesn't look very long. Oh my goodness, probably I will have to buy some cable and crap, and probably extend the cables. We're gonna see them in the motorcycle in a minute, so we'll see what happens. Okay, but it looks, the cable is pretty short. This is the lamp. It has the holders here. Let's see how does it hold in here. Okay, with these two screws in here. The bulb, I don't know, probably I'll have to connect this to a 12-volt power source, but I don't have one. Probably I'll have to go down and put it in the battery, see how it goes. But anyway, it looks not very good. The distance doesn't look very good, so, but it's okay. I mean, it's sturdy. It looks secure. I don't know how it will last. Let's see the glass. This glass. It's pretty strong. So probably will have enough strength to kill the mosquitoes and the bugs going through it. Alright, so this is it. Okay, looks like this, not bad. Probably will hold in my guards. I have safety guards, safety bars around my motorcycle. So probably I put them in there like this, and we'll see if it works or not. And as I said, this is 25 euros. That's why I bought them, just to try them out. I don't spend the 200 euros and realizing later that they're not good for your motorcycle. Alright, my friends, so this is it. This is the headlight, the headlamp, LED headlamp, fog headlamp, or auxiliary headlamp, LED headlamp. We'll see how it works. I mean, that's the whole purpose of buying a cheap one, just to make sure it can actually be connected in your motorcycle. It looks good, it looks okay, it works okay, and you find the trick. So when you are ready to purchase the $200 or the $250 LED lamp, you can actually connect it properly, it works, and you are happy. But probably I'll be happy with this one, see if it works. This is the unboxing of the baby. Here it is. That's the one headlamp. That's the other two. That's the second headlamp here, and the pair, and all the accessories, switch, mounts, and instructions. Now I'll show you, go downstairs to the motorcycle and put them in there. You see how it looks more or less, and you'll have an idea how they look in the motorcycle. Alright, my dear friends, here we are on the Vulcan, on the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Here, Kawasaki Vulcan S, yes sir. Great motorcycle. These are my safety guards, so safety bars, I would say. And these cables have to be connected somewhere in here, because they have an electrical system, accessory electrical system. So let's see how this thing will go this way. Here we have to take into account this, these blinkers probably will hit the bars. You can put them in here like this. You can put them in here like that, that'll be, or here like this, or here like that. So let me put them in here first. See if I hold this in here like that and turn the thing, yeah, actually has the way to do it here, and it doesn't get into the way of the headlights. So probably I will put them in there. Because, here, let me put this back where they belong, like that. Because if I have to connect this thing into here, so maybe there's enough wire. Yeah, there's enough wire here to connect it. I don't know if it will look good or not, but probably I'll have to get some cable ties. And here like that, I don't know, here, let me see if I place the motorcycle like that. I don't know if the headlight will, what you call this, the blinkers will get in the way of the headlight. So I don't know, or the beam, or the light beam. So I don't know if I will have to put this, I don't know, change those or something like that. Oops. Maybe if I put them in there like this, that's another option. I have enough wire to connect, so probably that's another option like that. But the problem with this is it's getting too wide, so I don't know. Maybe another option would be to connect it this way. Maybe. That's another option, which is not bad at all as well. So, if I go this way, there you go. It doesn't get in the way either. So that's another option. Okay, so there's few options you can do it. So no problem.